Hello guys, welcome back to Coding with Bobby. And today we're solving this daily LeetCode challenge, and it's insert interval, which is a medium based question. I'll not go through this, I'll directly show you. Yeah, we'll just copy it. So I've got these different intervals which are already sorting by their start date, right? So this is the start date 1 and it ends at 2, then 3, then 5, like that. And this is a new interval which we need to insert in this, and after that we need to make sure there are no overlapping intervals. So if we can see, the first interval would be 1 2 and then it would be 3 5, then I guess we should insert this 4 8, and then we have got 6 7, and then we have 8 and 10, and then we have 12 and 16, like that. So now what we'll do, we need to take care of the overlapping ones. So 1 2 and 2 and 3, they don't overlap, right? Okay, now 3 and 5. Now if you see 5 and this is 4, so before this interval ends, the next one has already started. So what we can do, we'll just merge it. That means this started at 3 and ends at 8 will include both of these, right? So now we come to 6 and 7. Now if you see 6, it has already started before this 8 ends, and apart from that it ends also before 8, so this is already included in that. Now 8 and 10, that means before this ends this also starts, so we'll just update, we'll take this in the same interval and we'll update our end time. And the next one, this is 12, so it starts after 10, so we'll just do 12 and 16, like that. Boom, it works fine. So now what we'll do, the similar way we approach this, we'll write the code for it. Okay, we'll take int10 intervals dot size dot length. Now first we'll insert a new interval, right? So what we'll do, we'll take one list, and this will be of int and ints and new array list. Now we need to find the position, and the position would be see, the new one starts from 4, so we need to see when the 4 is coming in our this list, right? So it should be inserted ideally after 3, right? So after 3 it should be inserted. That means 0 1 and 2, so it should be inserted on second index, right? So we'll take one variable for that, int new int index, which is 0 initially. That it should be, if we don't have any intervals, then we should insert at the 0 index only, that is the first one. Otherwise we'll start like that, and I plus plus. Now what we'll do, we'll check if the intervals I and 0 is greater than our new interval 0, yeah, or we'll check less than. If it is less than, yeah, see, if it is less than, like this 1 is less than, so it should be inserted to the next one. Now 3 is less than 4, so it should be inserted to the next one, right? If it is less than, then what we'll do, new int idx should be I plus 1. It should be inserted in the next one. Now we'll also put our this ints will have all the intervals, though we'll manage the overlaps later on. So ints dot add, and we'll add intervals I, like that. Now ints dot add, and we'll specify the position like that, and we'll add this new interval, yeah. So when you see here in this example, 1 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4, so actually on this 3 the new int index will be updated to 2. Now in case of 6 it is greater, so it will not be updated, so we'll get this new int idx will be equal to 2, so we'll update it at 0 1 then 2, like that. Now we'll handle the overlapping, right? So what we'll do, we'll just take one list, and this list will be for our result, our answer, like that, and we'll insert the first one, and this would be list.get ints.get 0, right? The first one we'll insert in it. Now we'll take care and we'll do all the comparison from the first one only, right? For int I equal to 1 and I is less than n plus 1, because now we have got one extra interval, that is the new interval. So now we'll see if our answer.get answer.size -1, which is the last one actually, but here we only have one interval, so it is taking that one interval. Otherwise it will take the last one and its ending index. Right, when does the overlap occurs? Overlap only occurs when this ending is greater than the next one's beginning. Right, so the next one's beginning or greater than equal to, and the beginning will be we'll get it from ints.get I, and this will be 0, like that. So this in this case we got one overlap, right? And if there's no overlap, like in this case 2 and 3, so we'll directly add it to our answer.add ints.get I, like that. Otherwise in this case what we'll do, we'll take that interval, we'll take out that interval from our list, answer.get answer.size -1, and we'll update the last one of it. The last one will be updated like mat.max. It should be either this one, the current one, or the ints.get I 1, like that. So the maximum one we'll take, and now we'll update it, answer.set and answer.set, and we'll just put cur. Okay, and I think we need to also give the index, answer.size -1, and that, yeah. So it will set on this index, this updated cur, and now we can just form our result, form our 2D array, which will be like res new int, and this is n plus not n plus 1, this is answer.size, and this will be 2, and we'll just do for int I is less than answer.size and I plus plus, and res I is the answer.get I, and we'll just return res. Let's just check this out. Works fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, works fine. So I hope this question is very much clear to you. If it's not, just let me know in the comments. Thank you.